Okay, welcome back to another episode / lesson. We're going to look at compound complex sentences. But you know it, we're going to revise first of all. Question, what is a sentence? Answer, a sentence is a complete thought. Right? What is a simple sentence? Well, a simple sentence contains one thing, contains one clause, one independent clause. Not two, not three, not five, but one independent, not dependent clause. What is a compound sentence? A compound sentence contains two or more things. Two or more dependent clauses? No. Two or more independent clauses, two or more complete thoughts joined together by a coordinating conjunction or coordinating conjunctions. Right. Again, a compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses. But what about a complex sentence? A complex sentence. Complex. A complex sentence contains one or more independent with one or more dependent clause. Independent plus dependent clause. But today we're going to look at compound complex sentences. What is a compound complex sentence? A compound complex sentence contains more than one independent clause plus one or more dependent clauses. So it's like a compound sentence together with a complex sentence. Compound complex, pretty simple. Compound sentences are joined together by coordinating conjunctions. Do you remember the acronym of the 7 coordinating conjunctions? Fanboys. F for for. A for and. N for nor. B for boy, no. B for but. O for or. Y for yet. So. For and nor but or yet. For and nor but or yet so. Memorize it. It'll take you a few minutes. Well worth it. Fanboys. How do we diagram coordinating conjunctions? Answer, on a dashed step. Here's a dashed step. Dash, 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 step, 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 dash, dash, dash. And we place the conjunction, whatever it might be, on the step. Great. Complex sentences are joined together with subordinating conjunctions. Can we think of some subordinating conjunctions? Well, they're a little bit more difficult, but they're fairly easy to spot. Some of them have to do with logic and argumentation, such as if, because, although, since, unless, as. Just some examples. There are many possible coordinating conjunctions. Some of them have to do with the flow of time. While, now, till, before, once, when. I don't know of any easy acronyms. Perhaps you can think of one and bless the world with it, as the inventor of fanboys has previously blessed the world. Okay, how are subordinating conjunctions diagrammed? Answer, on a diagonal. Answer, on a diagonal dashed line. Dash, 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 dash. Till. There we go. Okay, subordinating conjunctions are diagrammed on a dashed line. Now, let's have a look at some examples. There will be nothing, strictly speaking, new here, except it'll be a little bit longer and more complex. Okay, let's have a look at how we might diagram this. Wonderful. Aren't we looking forward to this? I am, certainly. This is like climbing Mount Everest, a little bit. What do we need? We need a baseline. I've studied. Who've studied? I've studied. I've, subject, studied, predicate. Remember that verbs in English can be up to 6 words long. This is a compound verb. Have studied. How has he studied? Answer, long and hard. Adverb, long. Adverb, hard. How are these two adverbs related? Answer, by the conjunction and. I've studied long and hard, so I know it's tough. For and nor, or yet so. I know it's tough. So is a coordinating conjunction. It's diagrammed with a dash step. Dash, 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 step, 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 dash, dash, dash. Joined from verb to verb. All right. I know, so I know. So I know. Baseline. I know. Who know? I know. I know something. I know is an action verb, so what follows must be a direct object. But tough, we can't say tough on its own because it's already part of a noun clause. We must diagram the entire clause. Let's diagram that clause. Baseline. It. What's tough? Answer, it's tough. It is the subject. Tough is the predicate. Or is a linking verb or an equals verb. So what follows must be a subject complement. Tough. Tough is an adjective. So that must also be a predicate adjective. How do we join the noun clause to the rest of the baseline? By stilts. We don't want to debase the baseline. It's my joke. I want to keep using it. Right. Keep going. Oh, we have a problem here. We don't know the subject, but it's an imperative. So the subject is, we don't know, keep what? Keep going. We don't know what the subject is, or the subject's implied, but the subject in an imperative is always you, in brackets. You keep what? Keep going. Keep is an action verb. What follows must be a direct object. But how going is an adjective, which is also a predicate. Going is an adjective, which is also a gerund, a verbal. So we need to draw a step, a solid step in there, separate it by a stilts, and separate it by a stilts, the baseline. Let's throw it down the stairs. Going. Keep what? Keep going. Right, how do we relate this to you succeed? How do we relate you keep going? Oh, okay. Keep going, but keep going. But is a coordinated conjunction. Fanboys. For and nor, but, or, yet, so. But. This is fun. Until you succeed. Let's diagram you succeed, shall we? Who succeed? Answer, you succeed. Predicate. Until. Until is a different thing. Until has to do with time, the order of time. So it's a subordinating conjunction, and some subordinating conjunctions are drawn on a sloped, dashed, diagonal line. Very good. Whew, my goodness, that was fun. That's live, folks. No practice. I hope I'm right. I'm sure I am, possibly. One more. I was working and your mother was working before you were born, so give us more respect when we talk to you. Okay, let's have a look at how we might diagram this. First clause, I was working. Who was working? I was working. Was working, this is just one verb. Remember that verbs in English can be up to 6 words long. A second clause, mother was working. Who was working? Mother was working. Again, was working is just one, functions as one verb. How to relate these two? With the coordinating conjunction and. For and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Mother was working. You were born. You were born. Okay, we're going to take born as an adjective here. You were born. Before you were born. Before is a subordinating. So we join verb to verb. placing the subordinate conjunction on the diagonal sloping dashed line. Very good. Give respect. Okay, who should give respect? Answer, it's implied. It's an imperative. And the imperative is always has the same subject. You, in brackets. You give what? What receives the action of giving? Answer, respect. Respect is the direct object. To whom or for whom should you give respect? Answer, implied to us. Us being pronoun. We can put an X in brackets there. Some people do, or just leave it blank. Give respect. So give respect. So is another coordinating conjunction. So let's diagram that on a step. So you give respect us. When we talk when, it's to do with time. Okay, subject we, predicate talk. Let's draw that. So when we talk, that is a subordinating conjunction. Dash, 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 dash. When. Great. Whew. I thought I was going to die there. That's fine. I was working and, modifier. Your mother. Your mother was working before you were born. So, implied you, give us respect, give respect to us. When we talk. Is that all? Talk. Who receives the talking? Implied to you. Is you the direct object? We talk what? No, it doesn't make sense. We talk you? No, doesn't make sense. We talk to whom? To you. Again, you can put an X in here if you want. I'm just going to leave it blank. Wow, that was fun. Now it's your turn to do some enjoyable sentence diagramming. Thanks for watching. This video was part of a course that normally costs $29.99 at udemy.com. But click the link below and you get the course for only $9.99, a 66% saving. The course has all the exercises you need to master basic sentence diagramming and sentence grammar. So, click now for lifetime access with a 30-day money-back guarantee.